In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Hotkeys. Hotkeys are one of the simplest ways to move faster, cut down on clicks, and keep your focus on the market instead of your mouse. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find them and how to make the most of what's already built into the platform. First, open Benzinga Pro. You can launch it in your browser or through the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Give it a moment to load your workspace and make sure everything looks familiar. Your watch lists, Newsfeed, and any tools you keep pinned. If it's your first time in a while, a quick refresh or app update can help ensure hotkeys behave consistently. Also, keep your cursor focused on the app window. Keyboard shortcuts only work when the platform has focus. Next, click Profile. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of the interface as an avatar, your initials, or a small user icon. If your window is narrowed or you're on a smaller screen, the profile option may be tucked into a menu. Look for a 3-line or 3-dot menu that expands your user options. Clicking Profile opens a panel or drop-down with account-related controls and settings. Now, look for hotkeys. It may appear as hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts. Open that section to view the list of available shortcuts. This is your quick reference hub. It shows you what each shortcut does and how it maps to your keyboard. Spend a minute skimming the categories so you understand what's covered. Commonly, you'll see shortcuts for navigation, searching, news and alerts, audio controls, and switching between workspaces or panes. Some platforms allow you to enable, disable, or adjust certain keys. If you see options to modify anything, review them carefully and avoid combinations that conflict with your operating system or other trading tools. When in doubt, keep the defaults and focus on learning a few that you'll use every session. Here are a few practical tips as you get comfortable. Start small. Pick 2 or 3 shortcuts tied to actions you repeat constantly, like opening search, toggling a panel, or jumping between layouts. Practice them in a low-stress moment so they become second nature before the market gets busy. If a shortcut doesn't seem to work, check that the Benzinga Pro window is active, verify your keyboard language settings, and confirm you're not overlapping with system-level shortcuts. To recap, open Benzinga Pro, click Profile, and look for hotkeys. From there, review what's available and commit a few essentials to muscle memory. Mastering these basics will help you navigate faster and stay a step ahead.